Hi everyone, welcome back to Yun's Family Table. I'm Yun and today we're making these easy black sesame milk bread. This soft milk bread enriched with black sesame seeds, giving it a delicious nutty flavor that you're sure to love. So let's get started. This is very similar to my Japanese milk bread recipe. Check that out if you haven't already. Basically, dump all of the measured out ingredients for the bread into a large mixing bowl. Here I'm using my stand mixer to knead so they're all going in. And that is why this is such an easy method, because all you need is a scale, a bowl, and a way of kneading the dough for a good while, be it a stand mixer or by hand if you're so inclined. You want to knead the dough for quite a while, about 15 to 20 minutes after the dough has come together, to manually develop the gluten so you end up with a soft, supple bowl of dough. Leave that cover to rise in a warm place until it gets up 1.5 times bigger. Then deflate and divide the dough into 2 equal halves. This amount of dough will give you 2 medium-sized loaves. And for shaping into our final loaves, divide each dough ball into thirds. It really helps to use a scale so that each piece can be the same weight, and that will give you a more uniform loaf at the end. Let these little dough balls rest, covered, for 10 minutes, and come back to roll them out and shape the sections as shown. The idea here is to deflate any air bubbles so you don't end up with big holes in the bread after baking, and to create a better structure in the dough so you'll have a better looking final product. Then grab your pan of choice and let these little dough balls rise in it covered until they puff up to 1.5 times bigger. It depends on the temperature of your home. These loaves took an hour to prove to look like this. I covered one with the lid and left the other one open. Egg wash is optional, but baking them in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes is not. Depending on each oven, you may need to adjust the time and or cover the exposed loaf with the tin foil halfway through the cooking time to prevent over browning. Once they come out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes on wire racks, and the soft, nutty, and gorgeous black sesame milk bread can be enjoyed. Rip them apart while still warm will give you a tender and chewy crumb, or let the loaf cool completely down and slice them into toast to be enjoyed with other condiments or spread, or with other sandwich fillings. Make these at home today and you will love the results. Help support this channel by clicking a like and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, go to yunsfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Subscribe to my channel for weekly videos of good eats and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.